If you are not convinced by now that I am the Tesla whisperer, I don't know what to tell you. Every video that I put out about Tesla has been accurate. We've seen the move happen almost the next day. In one of my videos, called Tesla at 180, it ran all the way to 194. Yesterday, I said Tesla's going to start heading towards 207. We got in the play in the Discord. We did a 200 call for expiration tomorrow, and look where it is now. 202. Ran all the way from 186, which was our entry, and ran all the way to 202. Now, granted, we took profit at 195. I didn't want to deal with time decay heading into tomorrow, and I didn't want to deal with a potential retest towards the downside. But nice little 300% here. Congratulations if you took the trade. I meant 190 call. We did a 190 call, not a 200 call. So congratulations if you took the trade. I think it's going to go higher. Okay. So let's get into that. Like, subscribe, comment your thoughts below. Let's get into the video. Now, I think it's a no-brainer. I really don't think I have to go deep into it, but the move I'm expecting tomorrow is towards 207. Now, if you're wondering why I have this downside arrow here, we could see a potential retest towards 194 before we see a move much higher on Tesla, or we just continue higher, and I'm fine either way. All right. So, what I will say, as far as more upside, because everyone's asking, what's happening beyond 207. As you guys can see, I got these sellers here marked. I told you guys last video that wicks tell a story, and right now we have sellers at around 215, 218. So if we can get rid of these guys, I would even say a breaking amount above 220 psych level. If we can get rid of these guys, I think we're going to see a move towards 230 on Tesla. Now, I will say, do I think that move is going to happen tomorrow? I don't know. Okay, I don't think so. But we do have news tomorrow. We have PPI data tomorrow. We have a few Fed members speaking, so it's possible. Maybe. If we gap up tomorrow, then it's definitely possible as far as Tesla goes. As far as downside goes, if Tesla breaks back below 194, so let's map that out real quick for you guys. If Tesla breaks back below 194 and hold, we get a move towards 194 where we break 194, then we head towards 190, and then we retest 194 and we go lower. That's when I will probably start getting out of Tesla and looking for potential downside on Tesla. So right now I'm not in any trades on Tesla anymore. I took profit. I didn't want to run it into news, or I didn't want to deal with time decay. My expiration was tomorrow. But if you're still holding, congratulations. I still think it has more upside. It can either just retest or it can just continue higher. Okay, and I'm guessing that it's going to just continue higher heading into tomorrow. Okay, so that's really all I got as far as Tesla goes. Congratulations. For all the people that's commenting and trolling and saying Tesla's going to 168 and these patterns don't work and all that stuff, how's your puts doing, buddy? How is your puts doing? Let me know. Let me know in the comments below, if your puts are doing well. You probably didn't take puts. You're probably just talking. You don't even believe that you don't even believe Tesla is going to drop enough to take your own place. So, I don't know. A lot of people that say stuff like that, they don't even believe it half the time. Another thing is someone commented and said that patterns don't work. Sure, buddy. We got an inverse head and shoulders pattern here. Absolutely broke the neckline at 194, 195, and we continue higher. Sure. So what I will say is for you guys who don't understand how patterns are formed, they're formed by computer algorithms from hedge funds and market makers. And then retail traders, they keep trying to trade within these patterns like a little hive mind, and we end up forming them. So for you to think that these don't work, you probably shouldn't be trading. You probably shouldn't be teaching, because I'm pretty sure I know who you are. But regardless, congratulations to all those who listened on the video, or you didn't listen to my video and you just did it on your own. You did your own technical analysis. Tesla looks good. Tesla looks absolutely great heading into tomorrow. Now, what I will say as far as PPI data, when we had CPI data, we saw a huge overreaction. A Fed member spoke the next day, and he was basically saying that everyone's overreacting, and the market reacted well to that. Okay, he sounded very bullish, and as you guys can see, the market started to react really well to that. So Historically, PPI is a lot better than CPI, so I'm expecting kind of the same reaction, but more so not the bearish side of the reaction. Okay, so if we just so happen to get a bad reaction to it, then I would assume that we're just going to start retesting lower levels, and then a Fed member speaks. I think we got like two speaking tomorrow, and we get the same. We pretty much get the same thing we saw on CPI. So that's my expectations heading into tomorrow. I'm pretty much overall bullish. Okay. Another stock I want to go over, Apple. So we enter a trade on Apple. Let's actually look at it real quick. As you guys can see, someone commented and said Apple calls are hitting. So where is it? Tesla, Apple. Okay. So we did a 187.5 call for February 23rd at one point, I mean, not one, but 0.60. You can check the premiums on that contract right now. I think we're up like, it's up like 110, 1.0, 1.10. So about $50 a contract in profit right there. It's more likely more than that. Well, actually, it's more than that. Yeah, it's way more than that because we saw Apple jump towards after hours. Well, even before after hours. So as you guys can see, we have a bull flag on Apple here, and down here, this is when I called Apple. Okay, I called Apple at this weekly support level. This is a weekly support level down here. I saw this falling wedge pattern here, and I saw us hugging and rejecting this weekly support level down here. Saw us rejecting the bottom of the wedge pattern. Saw us rejecting this bull flag because patterns don't work. You know, crazy how these patterns are working. I don't know. It's just crazy. But anyway, and then we broke out of this bull flag, and then the icing on the cake, the cherry on top, Apple gets news literally right before close and just immediately starts to jump. So congratulations to my Discord members who are all in this play. Congratulations if you're in this play in general. If you want access to the Discord and my signals, link is in the description below. But Apple looks amazing. Next target I'm looking at is 187. After that, I'm looking at a move towards 190. We do have a gap at around 187, so I'm expecting this move first. Not looking to hold the play too long, probably around 187, 190. That's when I will be looking to close out the play. But I do think Apple is going to start. I still think Apple is going to start heading towards 200. We break out of this wedge. I think Apple is going to go absolutely insane to the upside. So that's my expectations on Apple. Another play that we are in is AMD. AMD looks really good here. I mean, it just still looks good. Okay, so we have a triple bottom here. We just need this neckline of 180 to break. We have a symmetrical triangle. I don't know what this pattern is, to be honest with you guys, but it's a pattern. But we broke out of here, and right now we retested. We retested the top of the pattern, and it looks like we have potential to go higher. And most likely, the market is waiting on this data for tomorrow. If we break 180, this triple bottom, did I say triple top before? Triple bottom. If we break the neckline on this triple bottom here at 180, then we are going to see 185. My max target will be 195, which is new highs for AMD. So be on the lookout for that. As far as the overall market goes, pretty much nothing has changed. Key level for SPY or ES is we want to see a break above 50.50, and then after that I'm looking at a move towards 56.6, and then after that you're pretty much in price discovery mode, and my next key level I'll be looking at is around 50.80. Nasdaq. So NQ, I don't have much on NQ. Obviously, we want to see a move above 18K. If we break above 18K, then we're just going to head towards previous highs at around 18,130. We break above 18,130, then I think we're going to start seeing moves towards 18,250, and then 18,300, and then probably 18,500. Okay, I don't think that's all going to happen tomorrow. It really depends on news. Again, we can just start gapping up tomorrow or not. Okay, if we break back below 17,800, well, yeah, 17,800, then I would be a little concerned. After that, you're looking at a move towards 17,700, and then 17,500 is your key level. We break below that, then I think we're going to start heading towards 17,100. Okay, That's really all I have. Okay. Oh, last. Well, actually, two more. Okay, we got two more. So let's look at the Dow Jones real quick. Dow Jones. I mean, I keep calling this stuff. I called it last video. We got this double bottom here. We broke above the neckline so far. So, I mean, I think Dow Jones is going to start heading towards 400. As you guys can see, double bottom with this pattern. I mean, not this pattern, but this play didn't actually play out the way I thought it would, but still looks good. Regardless, I was still bullish on Dow Jones, and it's playing out. We got this double bottom here. We want to see a break above a break and hold. Well, we already breaking and holding above 388, but our next key level here is we want to see a break and hold above 390. After that, we should be heading towards 400 on the Dow Jones. IWM, same thing. I mean, we're looking at a move towards 205. 205 is your key level here. We break above 205.6. Well, 205 point, yeah, 205.6. We break above that. Then I think we're going to be in price discovery mode. And then your next key level I'll be looking at is 208 to 10. All right. That's really all I have. Okay, that's all I have. So plays you want to look at as far as tomorrow goes, you want to see how Apple reacts. If it doesn't gap up, then I have reason to believe that Apple is going to continue higher towards 187, 200. So this will be my main play heading into tomorrow. Tesla, again, congratulations. I'm not looking at too much movement to the upside. I just want to see a move towards 207 short term. Anything higher than that tomorrow, then that's great as well. Okay. Your next key level after that is probably 212. Well, yeah, 212, 213, give or take. After that, my main key level that I'm going to be looking at is towards this gap fill at around 218 and then 219.5. All right. So that's what I'm looking at heading into tomorrow. That's all I got. Have a good one, traders. Discord link is in the description below. We do stocks, we do crypto, we do Forex, all that fun stuff. If you're having a hard time, drawing levels like this, drawing out patterns like this, then Chart Prime is the indicator for you. They got some of the best indicators in the game. And that's it. Till the next video, have a good one, traders.